Hey Yusef, how you doing today?
Hi, good. How are you?
All right, so what are you looking at here, buddy?
Looking at a melted wire in the capacitor.
Uh-huh. Okay, let me get over here and let me take a look.
See it?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Let me see it. And this one too.
And then
it melted.
Yeah, I'm getting a blurry.
It's for the compressor.
Yeah. And that's on the hermetic. On the hermetic side, right?
Yes, hermetic side.
HERM, yeah. And so the rest of it looks fine.
Looks pretty good. Contactor looks good.
The contactor is kind of burnt, but it's not like it's bad off. And we've already taken out the
yeah, the coil doesn't look bad.
The inside of the coil is not bad. We're doing a maintenance on it. We got the water running. Now, Yusef, show me how you've diagnosed this capacitor to be bad. What did you do?
Well, we got the meter, put it on a microfarad, turn it on. Okay.
Alright. So right now it says 0 UF. Ooh. Alright.
Right.
Good.
And
now go ahead.
A common side in here. Put one lead in the common.
Alright.
One lead in a hermetic. And it's supposed to show
55 UF, right?
Yes, it's right here.
And we're jumping around a little bit, but we only got like 5 here.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you can kind of see how it's
burnt,
welded and burnt, and okay, and then let's see the other side. What's the other one?
That's the fan.
Okay, and what's that one supposed to read?
5.
All right. All right. Come on, baby. Oh, there it went. We checked it earlier and it had 5 right there, 5.0. There it is, 4.9. Good. So now we got the new one, so let's take that one and pull it over here real quick. And just went to the supply house and grabbed the new one. And it looks a little different, but you can see on the top it still has the common hermetic and fan. So now before we try to install it, we want to make sure we got 5 there, okay? And then the other one, 55.
Nice.
Now, Oliver is the guy who came out here from the beginning.
Hello.
And what was your diagnosis from the very beginning before we even came out here? You told us that.
I came out to the unit and I said, well, let me see what's going on, because I figured they had the air conditioner on and it was a couple days ago, so it was kind of hot. And I walked over to the condensing unit and it wasn't rejecting any heat. The fan was on, but there was no heat being rejected out of the unit itself.
But so, the fan was on.
The fan was on.
But the compressor, we believe, should be. The
compressor, I don't think was on.
Because of the wire. And now you didn't take off the panels, is that correct?
I did not take off the panels.
You just did an overall diagnosis, and then we came out here and we figured out what the problem was. So the most important thing to do before we jump to conclusions, we haven't, as you can see, our gauges are still down here. We didn't attach any gauges. All we wanted to do first was do a visual inspection, which led to the electrical connection. Right. So we're going to continue to clean the coil, and we will go inside and continue with more of this diagnosis of this house.